Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to download games from Steam. So first open your Steam and logging through your whatever account you have. So after you have logged in and opened your Steam, you just need to go to store, which is located at the top left corner of the page. You just need to hover in categories and click on free to play. So this will open several games for you. You just need to search here, or if you don't find it here, you can just click on the search bar and type whatever game you want to play. So after you have the game you want to install, after you click on it will open the game page. You just need to scroll down and click on play game. It will open this dialog box. You just need to click on your drive and start installing. And that's how you download your games from Steam. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, do subscribe to this channel.